Hello everyone. This topic is prepared for class 11 and it is a part of chapter number 1, meaning and objectives of accounting. Today's topic is difference between the bookkeeping and accounting. Students, this topic is already being covered with the definition part of the term bookkeeping and the definition part of accounting. See, accounting is whatever we record the transaction identified in the monetary terms, then classified, that is the sixth cycle of accounting which we have discussed in the earlier video. Now, this video is related to bookkeeping and accounting. Now, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is basically the first three steps of accounting cycle, which involves identification, classification, as well as the recording, which is the foremost process of accounting, because until and unless bookkeeping is followed, accounting cannot be started. Now, with all this explanation, I will be explaining few points in a tabular presentation for the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. The first basis of difference is the scope. Bookkeeping includes identification in monetary terms, recording and classification. If you remember, students, these are the first three activities or the process of accounting cycle. Whereas accounting, in addition to bookkeeping, it means these three steps will involve, as well as next three steps, that is summarizing, analysis, interpretation and communication, will complete the whole process of accounting. That is the 6 steps of process of accounting or cycle of accounting will complete with accounting, whereas the first 3 process of accounting cycle is bookkeeping. Okay. Second point is stage. Bookkeeping is a primary stage, which means this is the first step which is being prepared, that is bookkeeping, and accounting is said as secondary stage, means where bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. How? Let's understand. Once you will complete with first 3 steps, then you will follow these 3 steps. So this is where bookkeeping ends, that is end of classification. Your summarizing will start, that is accounting will start. Therefore, accounting is secondary stage, whereas bookkeeping is the primary or basic stage. Okay. The third is basis of difference, objective. Bookkeeping is being done to maintain records in a systematic manner. As already somewhere in the notes you had seen that the primary objective or the advantage of accounting is that records are maintained in a systematic manner. Since the records are maintained in a systematic manner, that means we are following bookkeeping. So these 3 steps maintains the record in a systematic manner, whereas accounting is being done to ascertain, to know about the results of the business enterprise and the position of a business during one accounting year. Okay. Fourth point is nature of job. Bookkeeping is a regular process and routine in nature, means it is daily followed on a daily basis. Once the transactions are being of financial nature identified, then it will be recorded and classified, which is a routine process. Whereas accounting is not a routine process, but it is analytical. Based on the bookkeeping followed, accounting results are derived. Therefore, it is analytical in nature. Okay. Fifth basis of difference is performed by. That means who performs such functions. Bookkeeping is performed by the junior staff. Who are the junior staffs? The accountants who are being hired in a business enterprise, and they maintain and follow the records on a daily basis, our junior staff, general accountant, right? Whereas accounting is performed by the senior staff. Examples, the professional person like chartered accountants. They maintain and prepare the records after classification. Further, the analysis part is being done and followed by the professionals. And the last point is the knowledge level. Bookkeeping requires limited level of knowledge. Why so? The reason being because here only 3 steps are involved. Once they are in routine process, no typical knowledge is required for its recording process, for its completion process. Whereas accounting requires higher level of knowledge, because once classification is done, based on the summary, the analysis and interpretation will be followed, and that analysis and interpretation will help the owner or the proprietor of the business to take further decisions for the next coming year in the business, about its financial planning, about its profitability condition, about its running condition, etc., which is being decided and run by the professionals who guide and instruct the business enterprises, which requires once again the higher level of knowledge. And in this manner, this is a video prepared on the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. I hope this video would somewhere help you to understand the basic difference, and now you may apply it while reading and learning in your topics.